Guys, listen. I know. Maybe I should switch to better text editors, better code editors, okay? I'm just gonna start off with that. I'm just gonna say that. But we are reconfiguring Neovim now because I have so many plugins, man, and I cannot give up my plugins. Anyways, welcome back to another live stream. We got the water right here. We got my favorite water brand. If you know this, if you know, you know. So we got some water, apple water, you know what I'm saying? We got everything ready. I'm ready to reconfigure Neovim. These times of the year, people are just spending time with their family, having great time, eating nice food, you know, like just chilling, Christmas stuff. And I'm here configuring Neovim because I have to, okay? I have to because I need to be more productive, and I want to get the maximum out of my system, okay? I'm on the grind. I'm locked in. Anyways, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just yapping, guys. I'm going insane, actually. I'm going pretty insane, I'm not gonna lie. I started talking to the rat chef over here. We're just like having daily chats now. I mean, what the hell is going on in my life? I have no idea. Guys, check this out. Boom, we got the best wallpaper of all time now. It's the best shit. All right, I love it. I don't know, I was just searching for liminal spaces and found this one, and I think it's looking pretty good. And I'm trying to like change all the colors and the themes in my system to match this exact image. Not the exact image, I mean, if you can tell, like I have this bar here which is a bit like off compared to this side of the image, that side of image, but that doesn't matter because I like it. Because I mean, look at this. Wait, look at my previous setup. I mean, I had some kind of emphasis on blue before, but now I'm going all in with the Nord theme and all that, you know. I kind of like this better, to be honest. So yeah, now we just rising, guys. We just rising. Also, I don't know if you saw it, but I have a little goose over here. Little goose. The problem with this theme is that I don't like its contrast. I don't think it's dark enough for me. I think I need something darker to go with the rest of the system. I mean, look at this, is so good. Like, Jesus, looks so good. I think I want something darker, but I couldn't find that. But instead I just found this North theme, goose theme, whatever the hell is. So I'm just like using this theme now. So the reason why I want to do this live stream is because I'm using Astra and Vim now. If you go to here, you can see that I'm literally just chilling with Astro. But the problem is they keep changing their stuff, man. Welcome to the live stream, by the way, guys. I don't know if you guys are new or not, but my name is Orhun. I'm a rat. I live in the sewer. I like cheese and so on. You know, the typical introduction. So yeah, I'm using Astro. Feel free to say hi in the chat, by the way, if you're watching the stream. And they keep changing the damn thing. I mean, last time, wait, can I do Astro version or something? Rising, like finally switching to Neovim. Man, you got me, all right, you got me. But I think I'm gonna be pretty busy with Neovim this stream. Maybe on other streams I can just try Wayland or Hyperland or Neri or whatever the cool thing is now. Are you acoustic? Maybe. I think I am acoustic. Yeah, I have acoustic tendencies. Yes. All right, Astro version. It's 4.32. So I'm on the V4 still, and V5 came out when? V5 came out fucking March. Jesus. This is embarrassing. Yeah, it's March. So I've been sitting on V4 for a long time. So breaking changes, they broke everything. Literally, just broke everything. Just, you know, don't even look at the change log. It's just all broken, gone, finished. So yeah, I mean, everything is broken now. Everything is broken. So guys, I'm looking for suggestions. Do you want me to reset up this config, or should we just start over? You know what, I don't care what you think, I'm just gonna start over. Neovim from scratch. Boom. Okay, I need some tutorial though. Guys, what are some good tutorials? I need some tutorials. Neovim starter or something. Kickstart Neovim, yes. That's what I need. Alright guys, we're gonna just give this a try. But first I think I'm gonna make some backups because I'm just afraid. By the way, what do you think about the background image? Background image. So sick, right? I was so acoustic that I actually picked other images. And every time I run this script it just changes because I was like, okay, I like this image too, so I'm gonna keep it around, and I like the other image too, so I'm gonna keep that around. So I have now a list of images that I can just change by just running this command. But anyways, so my Neovim, okay, let's just steal some codes from migration guide or something. Okay, migrate to E5. I mean, I'm just so behind. So how do I make a backup? Yeah. Alright, so not move, actually I need to copy all these stuff. Maybe I have already backed this up from my, no, okay. So let me just back these things up real quick. Not move. Copy to this. Copy to this thing. Make sure, oh, it exists already. Okay, I need to delete that. Copy there. Oh, I have the copy of cache too. Okay, that's a bit interesting. Okay, I'm gonna just remove it. Copy it over. New backup. New backup. There's probably a faster way of doing this. Alright, we copied everything, I think. So config envim. This is where all our stuff is, right? Yeah. So I have backed everything up. I mean, if I fuck this up, I think I won't be able to code for a day or two because I need to actually set this up, you know. Okay, kickstart envim. What the hell is this? A starting point for Neovim that is small single file completely documented. Okay, how do I get started, bro? Wait, what? Post installation. Okay, how do I getting started? The only video that you need to get started with Neovim. It's 33 minutes long. Do we have text? We have text. Dude. Yeah, this is what I meant. So Neovim app name, Neovim name. How hard is this? Let's just see the video. Let's see a little bit of it.
You're probably wondering what makes Kickstart different from other projects in the ecosystem. The primary difference is that Kickstart is not a distribution. And when I say distribution, I mean sort of a big bundle of plugins that adds things on top of that to help you either manage those or sort of abstract away some of the configuration. Kickstart is instead a starting point, or effectively a template for the kind of things that you're going to do once you're making your configuration your own. The primary goal of Kickstart is that we have one file, and currently it has less than 300 lines of code and about 400 lines of documentation that tells you each and every step along the way. If you've never opened Neovim or you don't know anything about it, this is a really, really good place to start and to search. And then now you can see that the H right here is for help. So space SH gets us to here. And once again, if you wanted to read more about leader, you could just type leader in and press enter. As you know, key maps works exactly the same way, where we specify the mode Neovim, what event we want to listen to. That's this text yank post, which happens after we've yanked, in both your root or your dependency plugin specifications. This provides really powerful configuration options for plugins that sort of work together to provide a really powerful experience. And here's where we get to the first sort of larger plugin configuration that we have within Kickstart. This is for a fuzzy finder called Telescope, which was made by a super cool software developer who makes great YouTube videos and would definitely love it if
That's
you
funny.
smashed that like button.
I think he's talking about Prime.
The customized Telescope
or someone else, I don't know.
Behavior is included in the key map here that helps you be able to search your Neovim files with the same keystroke, regardless of where you're currently running Neovim. So this doesn't matter if you're in your config or if you're in a regular project. You can always press space SN to search your Neovim files. You can see each of them shows the preview, even though we're not currently in that project.
Okay, this is more like learning Neovim. I think I need something. There was one repo, like, probably not this one. I need something more like, I don't know, complete. I don't want to learn Neovim. Maybe I should just use the distribution, like this Astra distribution or something. Why Linux? Dude, I think I already answered that. I'm acoustic. I'm a guitar. I don't know, like, it's good. It's good. That's the only reason. Okay, Neovim started config. Let's check out this Reddit thread. FFF Neovim or fuzzy founder. And then from scratch. No, this is like, look at this. Jumping off point for new Neovim users or those who have declared config bankruptcy. I have declared config bankruptcy. I use Tuareg OS. Fuck Linux, bro. What the hell is Tuareg? Oh, I mean, use Temple OS, man. If you're gonna use something better than Linux, come on, just use Temple OS. Straight up. Kickstarter is really good, especially for creating your own. Okay, maybe I should just give it a try. But I've just like skipped the video because I don't want to like learn from the video. Okay, fork this repo, you have a copy that you can modify it and install by cleaning the fork machine. Okay, let's just do that. You want to remove lazy lock. Okay, let's just give it a try, guys. I mean, what can we lose here? Let's just fork it. Let's just fork it. I don't know what we're gonna see, to be honest. I don't know if I'm gonna break everything today, but this is the beauty of Linux. You just break and you gotta fix, and when you fix it, you just learn. Okay, kickstart and there we go. So Okay, so we cloned it. So what did we do? What did we do? Oh, this is like Vim config. No, this is... What is this? I think I need to basically Neovim. Guys, welcome to the stream, by the way. We're just trying to create the best Neovim config ever, or something like that. I don't know. I don't really know. So what was the Neovim app thing? Neovim app name. So if I do this, oops, kickstart and what happens? It gives us a fresh config with nothing. So basically I'm gonna export this and then kickstart. Okay, let's just export it then. It's kind of funny because I have this Neovim here and I'm just basically creating a new one. Neovim app name. So let's just export kickstart. Okay, Neovim. What happened? You can install Kickstarter configuration. Oh, okay. I need to move that there, I guess. Okay. Let me just do that real quick. Kickstart Neovim. So you gotta move this to here. I don't know how it's like finding that it's in config. No idea how that works, but okay, if it works then it works. So move this to here and then we just run this, I guess. All right, something is happening. We're in business, guys. So let me go to config kickstart. What was the thing? And then kickstart. Alright, we got our first errors, man. We got the first errors. Awesome. What the hell is going on? Okay, just install everything. Oh my god. Is this normal? How do I close this? Okay. I mean, I'm just getting errors when whatever I do, just like, what? Okay, let me just restart this thing, man. Something is wrong here. LSP config support. Wait, what is my enemy version actually? What the hell is going on? Dude, stop. Okay, guys, I broke everything. Version. I'm using 10, so Neovim. How many Neovim packages do we have? Okay, 11. Apparently, I'm just on the old Neovim version. Copy directory to encode. Okay. So I'm using this tool called Bob to manage Neovim. How do I list? Okay. Install. Actually. Okay, which version do I want to install? .11.5. Okay, use 0.11.5. What? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Like, what? How am I supposed... Okay, just close the tab or something. Okay, I need to kill all the processes. And I think everything will just break after this stream. Like, I am... This live stream was a mistake. Okay, anyways, now we're using Neovim version. Okay, 11.5, good. Can I exit this thing? Okay, just... What the hell? Okay, what the hell is going on? I'm in kickstart. Okay, we're just gonna Google this then. No idea, like I don't know, guys. We're just gonna search for issues, not on this repo though. Oh my god. Sorry for the flashbang. Alright, issues. Filter run. Config what tree setter. Opened 3 days ago. Why are we doing this, guys? I mean, this is not productive at all. Like, I just wanted to start writing code. Like, why are we putting us through all of this now? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not just me, right? Maybe it's the... Oh my god. It's literally the same line. Okay. Okay, the problem is... Yeah, Helix, right? It would be just nice to use Helix. So, the funny thing about setting this up is you run into issues, right? And then you need to edit some file, but you don't have the editor. So you're like, shit, what do? I just use Nano. Oh my god. Let's just use Helix, guys. Okay, Helix. Init, Lua. I'm just using Helix now. I mean... What the hell? Okay, tree setter config. You just need to remove this S and it will work. That's it. Okay. Let's give it a go. Yeah, it seems like it worked, but yeah, so what do? I need a file explorer or something like that. Search files. Okay, there you go. Init Lua. Yeah, basically need to copy all my existing plugins to here. That's That's what I need to do. But I'm not sure if I want to go with this config, to be honest. Like, okay, let me just explain what I think right now. I was thinking that this would be more minimal and I would just learn, like, or just like learn a bit more about the basics of how this config is structured. But this is just one huge file and it's not very minimal. So at this point I'm just questioning myself, why not just use Astro, because that was just like in good shape, I think. I mean, look at this. If my old Vim is working, you'll see that it's like very like separated, everything is clean, you know. So I think I'm just gonna go with Astro now, guys. At the end of this little experimentation, I just decided to go with Astro. This config is pretty same for a base to begin with. There are more documentation than actual config. Yeah, but I don't know if I want to set up everything right now. Most of the things seem to be missing compared to my what I'm used to, actually. Can you fork me? Interesting question. Thanks for asking that. What the okay, I don't know. Let's take a look at Livecoding. Let's take a look at Livecoding. By the way, guys, I don't know if you realize it, but look at the top right corner. I found the best Firefox theme ever. It's the best one out there. Look at this. It's great. It's great. So let's see. Do we have the starter includes a pre-configured Livecoding? So what is Astro V5 is using actually? Is this lazy? Yeah, I mean it's using lazy. So I'm just gonna use Astro, guys. Okay, we don't want to break the existing config. Alright, let's see. I think I'm just gonna clone it here. Okay. So, blindly copying and pasting code from the internet, let's go. Okay, export this. Hopefully no Lua errors, please no Lua errors. Please no Lua errors. Please. Seems fine so far. Why you not just give a try for Omar key? Omar key is like a full config thing now. Livecoding has the best user experience and is developed by the same guy, Lazy Plugin Manager. Great. Okay, no low errors. So far, we are killing it, guys. Boom. We got something. We got some, I don't know. We got something. No low errors. I'm so happy with this so far. Alright. Migration guide. This is a work in progress. Guys, configuration option changes. This release was more than 6 months ago. How is it still a work in progress? Aren't you a professional for... Dude, just what the hell are these questions? What? I'm just gonna put you in timeout because you just wanna go fork yourself. Dude, Just go fork yourself, man. Go fork yourself, okay? You're just asking for forks. Like, what is this? Sorry. I'm not sorry, actually. That was funny. Okay. Please order the other breaking changes section. I'm not reading that, to be honest. Okay. Astro Mason update. The mapping for saving while in insert mode has been removed as no core Neovim binding. What? I want that actually. I want that. No, they just removed my favorite key binding. Toggling Zen mode. I never use Zen mode. I know anybody using Zen mode, like any Zen users, any Zens in the chat, anyone? Guys, I'm just curious. New features. Never. Why does it exist then? I mean, I never run into anyone using that. I would really respect if someone is using Zen mode. Like, you don't need... Okay, I'm gonna actually use Zen mode in this live stream after I'm done setting this up, which I think is gonna be... It's gonna be a bit tough, but let's see. Using my browser, the Zen browser. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. It's the Zen browser, but like as like, you know, as a plugin inside our editor, do you use the Zen mode? Like, why do you use it, you know? These days, coding is not fun, guys. I mean, AI just took over everything. It's not fun anymore, so what's the point of having Zen mode? They just changed a bunch of things, guys. I mean... Sheesh, I'm not gonna read all these. I'm just gonna edit my... okay, let's do something like this. So config astro nvim v5, right? So this is the... So right now I'm using my old Neovim to edit the new Neovim, right? I think you just gotta remove stuff to make it elegant on eyes. Yeah, that's what it is. So this is my new config. Let me just pull up the Neovim. Where's this config actually? Nvim config nvim. So it's in config nvim. This is the old one and this is the new one. So I'm just gonna basically copy over everything. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna take a look at each plugin. I think that's gonna be fun because you might discover some cool stuff. Like, I'm using cool stuff. I know I'm using cool stuff, so you're gonna learn about some cool stuff. And you can also share what you use in your config so that we just like make this thing really solid. At least try Lazyvim. I think I'm just gonna go with what I'm used to, man. I might switch to it if this thing breaks completely. But yeah. Let me just take a look. Since you said, I'm just curious now. But this is probably different than what I'm used to. You know what? I'm just gonna use Helix. Just gonna use Helix. Man. So many options, man. I cannot keep up anymore. So I don't think I have touched any of these files, by the way. It should be just like the stock files. I'm just like comparing. Okay, this is just like init. It's true, coding needs to be fun again. Yeah, absolutely, man. I mean, I don't know what we're gonna do with all this AI stuff. We're basically cooked. We're basically cooked. I mean, I use Helix daily, nothing wrong with it, plus it's written entirely in Rust. The only thing that I'm missing in Helix is that there's no plugin system, so I cannot add plugins. And the second one is, the second one is there's no like file explorer, which is actually tied to the first point. If there was a plugin system, I could just add my own plugins to that, and that would be nice. Okay, I'm gonna just copy all these things to here, Polish. So I don't remember what I did here actually, but I'm running some code here that that is being run. Let me just run Neovim. So what am I doing here? Set up custom file types. I don't need this. So buff read. So this disables the diagnostics, I think. I can test this out. I need to just go to one package build. And let's just see. I don't know. Let's do cargo expand, package build. Downloading pre-built binary. Oh, cool. That worked. So they didn't change the internals, so that's good. These are for the terminal. Like, I think that these are for the internal, like, integrated terminal stuff that I have put together. Wait, why am I doing this actually? Okay, let's try the terminal. I no longer use the integrated terminal though, so it was supposed to be Control G, I think. Control G. Nope. Oh, I need to like add the key binding for it though. Anyways, so that's the integrated terminal thing. And we have this diagnostic logs thing, which is counting how many errors that I made. And if you're asking why I did this, it was because of a challenge. I was basically doing push-ups. I have 2 live streams on this channel where I just counted all the errors and did as many as push-ups as those numbers are. Like, it was a bit weird challenge, but anyways, so that's why I had this thing. I have this timer again. I'm not sure if this is actually working still. We can check. Yeah, I mean, I did like 4,000 errors since that time that I last used it. Okay, so that's Polish file. Let's look at lazy setup. I don't think I've touched this. I don't think I've changed anything here. So map leader. Maybe I have changed some. No, not really. Oh, color scheme. I need to add Kanagawa here. So let's just install the color scheme first of all. So plugins, user, presence, LSP signature. Why do I? Okay, I have that. Snacks. I'm not sure if I need all of these. Hey dude, how are you? We're just chilling, man. We're just configuring Neovim. We're just configuring rising. Do I need all these plugins though? Like Neovim auto pairs. Did I have that? Auto pairs. Auto pairs. No, I don't think I need that. What is that anyways? What is that? Great, have fun. Appreciate it, man. Auto pair plugin. I don't even know what that is, bro. Like, it's not a good explanation. Like, auto pair plugin. Okay, there you go. We have some kind of explanation. Oh, okay. Auto pair. Insert delete brackets. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay, I don't know. That's good to know. Should I include it? Should I include it? I probably don't need these. Not sure actually. Snip. I have it here as well. Better escape. Okay, I don't know. Let's just have this thing over here. Looks a bit off to me for some reason. Why is it looking like that? It's supposed to look like this. Okay, vol e ASCII art. Guys, I'm doing very important things right now. This is very important. Not this. 17 years ago. Okay, exactly, that's what I need. Actually, I can just copy it from my other terminal. What am I doing, man? Just copy this whole thing. And just boom. Oh man, it's gonna. Where did I even find that actually? I don't even remember. I need multi-cursor right now. I need to learn how to use multi-cursor in Neovim. This would have been easier that way. Okay. No, actually I give up. It's gonna take forever to do this. Instead, I think I'm just gonna copy this thing over here. What? Okay, how can I see the logs? 19. Maybe the option has changed or something. And when you got macros, you're in multicore that much for Emacs users. Okay. Okay, header value. How can I customize it? Dude. Everything has changed since last time I used these plugins. Why everything is so difficult now? I probably need this one. I know this this repo. Header. Dude, what is going on? I need to remove all the escapes, I think. How am I gonna do that easily? Dude, I just wanna have a nice header. Why is it so difficult? Jesus. What if I remove it? What? What the hell? It's not even taking effect. Oh, it is, okay. Okay. 1 second, guys. Need to go to a friend. Why am I lagging? Why am I lagging? It's so weird. You know what we're gonna do? Remove escape codes. Hell yeah. Boom. Prepend. Why is it taking forever? Why? What the hell is going on? Is that PHP book in your shelf? What? What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about. And why is it taking forever now? I don't have anything to do with PHP. That's not what I that's not what I'm about, okay? Please work, okay? Please work. Nope, I cannot figure this out, guys. I have no idea why this is happening. This is very annoying. Okay, I need to find the original one, I think. Exactly, that's what I need. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. It's a fish. Fish shell function. Okay, whatever. I give up. I give up on this. I'm gonna change this later. So, yeah, we just keep copying stuff. Significant phase of Neovim configuration to make you most efficient. Yeah, absolutely, man. So, better escape. I already have that. Let's install the theme. Let's install the theme. Kanagawa, let's go. I probably need to set this up somewhere too. Missing required configs. What? Why did you guys like made breaking changes on this? Oh my god. Can I go set up? Do we have the color? Nope. How do I set that? Oh, it's here. Okay. Astra UI. Kanagawa. It's not. Yeah, I need to just remove that, I think. Anyways, let's just remove that then. Seems good. I mean, what are these? What are these things on the sides? No idea. Anyways, we just move on. Okay, we just move on. Kanagawa Vim package build. Let's add that. So this is for the package build files. Right. Actually, do we have ts install ts install package build? Nope. Let's just install while we're at it. I'm just gonna install some tree sitters, guys. Let's do it for Zig. Bash. Nope. Okay, that should be enough for now. So Vim package build, markdown preview. Yep, that's pretty important for me. So in case you wanna preview some markdown files, that's what I use. So let's just have a markdown file here. Markdown preview. You have a markdown file. Let me just install the tree sitter for that as well. Nope, it's already installed. Okay, whatever. And then you go ahead and mark down preview. It's not working because there was one issue, if I remember correctly, that you need to install something. Oh, that was very annoying. I need to find that, because it's running some browser thing in the background, JavaScript. There should be an issue somewhere. So total comments, yeah, this one exactly. So where's the solution to that? Yeah, you gotta go to this directory. It should be in Neovim. Kickstart, no, not Kickstart, Astro. Wait. Maybe it's not there. Oh, that's me. Bro. That's fucking me. I just found my own comment, and it didn't work. that's a bit embarrassing, but look at me. We're just chilling here. Okay, whatever. What the fuck? I need to find that file somehow though. It's me from 3 years ago, man. What up, my dude? What's poppin'? How am I gonna find that thing now though? Astro, yeah, there you go. So it should be in where, dude? Lazy markdown preview I think I found it. Alright, let's just cd and yarn install. In the meantime, I'm gonna just check out this next plugin, git conflict, custom data version 2.1. Okay, I am on 2.1. Alright, I have done that. So let's try again. Markdown, preview, and boom, we got the preview. It's working. Great. Great. Are you writing it again from scratch? No, not really. I'm just configuring it. I'm just adding plugins now. So git conflict. Let's just add that little fellow over there. It's gonna be fine. Zen mode. Okay, guys, Zen mode. Very important. On the tree. No, I'm not even using that anymore, so I'm not gonna add that one. Vim fugitive. Maybe. Cellular automation. That's very important. Now that's a real one. Let's do cellular automation. Make it rain. Boom. That's very important, guys. Now that's a very important plugin. Game of life. That's very important. Affects my productivity, affects my life, everything. So we just gotta have that. Scramble. Amazing. This is yours complete from scratch. Modified Astro. Yeah, I'm just modifying it. I'm just like copying stuff over to V5. I was on V4 before. Vim Silicon, that's also important. So Vim silicon. That should be. I don't remember how to use that though. Wait, let me just check. This is for taking screenshots of the code. Commands. Silicon. Okay, we can just try it. Silicon. Whoa, PNG. Alright, let's have a look. Whoa, PNG. It's not saved. Did you just save it to here, maybe? Whoa, what? Didn't work. Maybe silicon highlight silicon whoa PNG. Okay, it says that generated something. Alright, there you go. Silicon. It's a bit weird though, because I think it's not exactly my config. Okay, it's a bit weird. Did you ever use Mimimap? Mimimap? No. Blazing fast Mimimap scroll out from room. Oh, this one? I like it. I'm gonna actually give it a try. In a second though, I need to fix this somehow. I recall having some config for silicon, but I don't know where it is. Houdini Vim. Not sure if I need that. Oh, okay, I remember it. It's a cool one. Markdown TOC. Markdown TOC is also really good. Like, it just generates Markdown TOC basically. So nice. I like it. LSP signature. So good one. Git linker. I don't remember what git linker is. Oh, I think I do. Okay, it just links to the upstream. That's a pretty good one too. All right, so I'm gonna show you in a second. Git linker. How do I use it though? I have a key binding for it originally, but I haven't migrated all the key bindings, so I gotta just learn it. I need to set this up too. Okay, anyways, it's basically for getting a quick link to wherever your current line is. So you just run this and you get a link to GitHub from your Git to GitHub or whatever. Okay, that was not the best explanation. But anyways, okay, MD2E. Interesting. I can install it. This is for previewing Markdown. Alright, let's just go to preview. What is going on? Why is it taking forever? I don't know what happened. Maybe it's just broken or something. Okay, it's maybe broken. I don't use this at all, so I'm gonna remove it actually, and it seems broken. Copilot, of course, man, of course. Okay. Smear cursor. Smear cursor is really good. Let me show you. Let's see if it's gonna work out of the box. Codex. Okay, we're almost there, I think. This typer was, I think, a type practice thing, yeah. How do I use it? Okay, just gonna install everything. Copilot. Copilot ready, cool. Let's just have... Oh, smear cursor, I forgot to check that. Seems like it's working. So this cursor animation is the smear cursor plugin, basically. A lot of people ask that on live streams, so I'm just saying that now. It's pretty cool, I think. Smear cursor typer creates envim. So this creates envim, I'm not sure I'm using it in the correct way. Any other recommendations for plugins, guys? Okay, lazy envim. Typer. Oh yeah, this is good. Type. Let's just give it a go, guys. I'm not warmed up, but let's just go. I fucked up. Oh my god, there's a Copilot suggestions in the typing speed check. Okay, Control R restart. Okay, it's not easy when Copilot is just fucking with me. Oh my god. What? Okay, whatever. Tips, notify. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna check them out. Let's check minimap. Actually, oh, I need to check codex too. Okay, codex is working. So those are all my plugins. I'm gonna just migrate my other stuff and gonna check out the plugins that you guys suggested. But give me a second. So tree sitter, I don't think I have anything special in tree sitter. Telescope. I can just have a telescope Lua file. So this is for... I'm actually go to some repo. Telescope action is not found. Okay. Telescope. Cycle history next. So I need to find whatever that function is and then need to call that. Telescope actions. Maybe I don't have telescope. That would be stupid. Why the hell I cannot find it though? Sorry for flashbang. Yeah, I'm gonna check that out. Neovim colorizer is a must if you're working with color hex codes. Okay. These telescope actions are no longer here. Telescope. What? Oreo. Old plugin and plugin. Okay, we just deleted telescope. Instead we have snacks. It's a bit of a downer for me. No more telescope. Sad. Okay, how this is working then? Like, what is? Oh no, everything has changed. Okay, I cannot open the file. I don't know the key binding for it. And then notify. Okay, and then notify. They also removed that one, I think. Yeah, they removed that one. Sad. Neo tree, do we have that still? Yeah, at least we have that. Neo tree is very important for me. Neo tree Loa. Just paste that over there. Okay, so F. Fine lines. Interesting. It's the first time that I'm seeing that. Find old files. Okay, we have nail tree instead of no, we have snacks instead of telescope. Would be nice to have telescope though. I miss telescope, man. Okay, Astral SP. I don't think I configured anything here. Astra Cord, that's where we need to do some configuration, I guess, or no? Yeah, mappings, look at these mappings, guys. So we're gonna features. Is your config publicly open source? Yes, it is. Actually, let me just post it here. This is my old config. I haven't pushed it anywhere yet. But yeah, I'm gonna actually pin it to. I haven't updated it, so just saying. So options, file types. I'm gonna remove this. I don't need that. Options. Yes, silicon. That's where I'm actually setting the options for the silicon. Alright, options. Those are important. Let me see. Alright, mappings. Mapping is the most important thing, I think. Let me just paste these things here. Actually, this might be useful. This N mapping could be useful, so I might just keep it around for a second. No, actually, no, I don't really use buffer, so yeah, just remove it. Okay, there you go. New tab, leader BN. Leader BN. It doesn't work. First chance I get, yeah. I don't know, man. I'm not doing much here. I'm just like, copying stuff over. Basically. Tab new. I don't really use this key binding at all. Tab new. How do I switch between tabs though? Tab next. Tab next. No, I don't use this at all. I mean, I have Zelish for a reason, so I'm gonna just remove it. So what is this? Next buffer, HL. I use this a lot. So let me try this. Nope, it's not working. HL. Yeah, GT maybe. Okay, Astro Core Buffer. This doesn't work, by the way. Navigate. Okay, how do I do this then? Next buffer. Literally what I'm doing here. Okay, one sec. Nope, doesn't work for me. Maybe I can just steal this. Dude, what the hell? It just goes to top and bottom when I do that. That's literally what I'm doing there. Astro core. Wait, maybe this... Oh, fuck, dude. This file is not enabled. I forgot to remove the comment up there. Sorry, my bad. My bad. Now it's gonna be fine, probably. Oh my god. What a rookie mistake. Okay, there you go. Now it's working. So what is this? Toggle terminal. I mean, it's good to have, I guess. What is this? Yeah, the Astro reload. Is this still a command? So leader and R. Probably. Yeah. Yeah, it works. Okay. Alright, save file. Control S, save file. It no longer works, by the way. Oh, it's working. It's working. Okay, cool. Save file. Exit. There's no telescope, so we'll need to change that. Find files. Yeah, just gonna copy this thing over here. I think. Oops, what am I doing? Nope, nope, nope. Go back, go back, go back. Is there any mention of telescope here? Okay. I think we're using snacks now. I think we're just using snacks anyways. Find files. Find words. There must be something like that. Find words. Find words. So Control F is gonna find files for us. Nope. What the hell? Like, what is this? How am I supposed to do this then? Okay, F, find files. Maybe it's something else. What was the snacks picker? So I need to picker. Anyways, those are not super important. I was not using them that frequently anyway, so okay, scroll down, scroll up. Toggle word wrap works. Git conflict. Leader G. I rarely use that. Markdown preview works. Zen mode. Zen mode. Let's try the Zen mode. Control Z. No, sorry, leader Z. Okay, Zen mode. Nothing changes. Okay, this. Toggling this. Wait. Toggle Explorer focus. Okay, it's a bit weird, but okay. Okay, whatever. Solar automation. Silicon. Let's try silicon. Works. Telescope media files. No, that's not gonna work. Load last session. Alright, I think that's it, guys. I think that's my whole config. If I didn't miss anything. Let's take a look at the things that you guys have suggested. So, hex code, I think it's already being highlighted, but okay, mini map. Neovim. Okay, which one is better though? Is Mimimap or Minimap? I think I'm just gonna install this one. Code Minimap is required. Okay, let's see. Code Minimap. Let's see if it's packaged. Nope. Should probably package it in the repos. I'm gonna make a note for myself, 1 second. Okay, I installed it. Now I need to install this thing, I guess. Show minimap window, close, okay. I think I want to assign some key to that. What the hell? Okay, I need to build it then. Build it myself. Cargo, install paths. This path. Okay, we have it available now. Minimap. Oh, I'm not looking at any code though. Let's take a look at readme again. Minimap. Nice. That's very cute actually. I like it. So let me assign some key to that. Minimap toggle. Let's go to user. Nope, not user. Let's do core. Maybe no, U. It's not assigned to anything, I think. Okay, let's do that. So something like leader and then this will basically call minimap toggle. Yeah, there you go. So okay, nice. I like it. Approved. Alright, what else did you guys say? Tips. Very, very nice. Google is down. Am I still live? Guys, what is going on? Rat. Can someone please confirm if I'm still live? I don't know, what was that? Neovim tips. Is this a plugin? No. I don't know which Neovim tips, sorry. Nvim tips, sorry. Nvim tips. What the hell? DuckDuckGo. I'm just gonna use DuckDuckGo now. I couldn't find that repo. Noise. I don't think I need that. That's fine. Teamery. I don't have multiple teams. Neovim colorizer. Fastest Neovim colorizer. I think I already have some integration for that. Or no? Isn't this like colorizing it? Let me just install it, man. Thanks, guys. Thanks for confirming. Actually, I want to use television. Do you guys know television? It's a fuzzy founder. There must be a Neovim plugin for this. I'm gonna give it a star. Installation. Okay, let's install it. Okay. Gonna just run it. TV files. TV files. What? Exhibit code. What? TV. No idea what is going on. What? Did I do something wrong? I don't think so. TV. Files. TV text. Just exits. I don't know. No, so many things to fill in. I'm not gonna fill in these stuff. Okay, sorry, I'm just lazy. TV exited with code 1. Hey, just gave this a try with my fresh Neovim Astro and config. You need channel in the project. What do you mean? What channel, man? I don't have the remote, man. Oh, you mean like I need to add a channel? Probably. I'm not reading the docs. One sec. One sec. You're right. You're right, actually. But that should be mentioned in the docs, I think. Anyways, skill issue. Now it's gonna work probably. Nope. What the hell happened? User law 2201. Oh, H isn't, of course. How am I gonna do this? Cannot define a local here. It's a bit weird. Okay, I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna do this then. I don't know how to do this in Lua, so I'm not gonna bother with it. All right. TV. No, it still exits, man. I mean, I have added the channels. So what's up? Control Control P. Nope. Just exits. Gotta go happy vimming. Thanks, man. However, I'm always getting this when I do TV or when I do TV files running TV also. I tried the configuration in the me as well, but no luck. Any ideas how to fix this? How to fix and debug this? All right. All right. There's note. Where is it? Anyways, mColorizer reinstalled that one. I'm still missing the banner image, man. I'm a bit sad about that. So rat ASCII art. I'm just gonna I have television available. Let me find a nice rat. It's a nice rat. Oh my god, dude. I don't know. Nice. Is there like a Kosei Neovim or something like that? Yeah, I think I found it. Let's try it. It's probably broken. I have a feeling that it's broken. Can try it though. No, it's not broken, but it's just changed the whole view. Okay. Which plugin is this? Dashboard. Dashboard, let's see. That's nice though. You can also view images in dashboard, that's also nice. Oh wow. God damn. Yeah, that's actually what I wanted, kind of. It's a nice plugin, man. It's very customizable, nice. I might actually use this sections. Not sure if I have Shafa. Okay, installed. Cool. Vol PNG. I don't have that thing though. Let's find a rat. Let's find volley PNG. Just like volley, guys. What are you gonna do? What you gonna do? Let's try this out. Volley PNG downloads. Okay, what? What did I do wrong? What is preset? Maybe I have to place it here or something. Nope. Oh my god. That looks horrible. That looks horrible because I resized it probably. Need to find a better image. Yeah. Let's use this. Need the PNG though. Need the PNG. Can I steal PNG from this website? Nope. It would be funny if I just like put a goose PNG on there. Anyways. I'm just gonna have this thing without art or anything. New file. Okay, I think I'm mostly done with this. Okay, let's see the echo and app name. So I'm gonna add this to my bash RC and I'm gonna test it for a while. Okay, now whatever I do should be. So if I edit something, bash RC, this should launch the new config, which I can see that it did. Cool. So I'm gonna test this out, guys, for a while, and then oh, one other thing, maybe I can use the Nord theme. I want to switch to Nord, but maybe it's too cold. I'm not so sure about this. Let's just install it and give it a try. Okay. Color scheme Nord. Maybe not. Transparency. Nope. I think I'm gonna just stick to Kanagawa for now. Okay, I think I migrated to Astro V5 at least. I'm just testing it out, guys. Just like running stuff to see if it's doing any funny business. This minimap is nice. I like it. It's not very useful, but it's good. All right. Alright guys, I think I'm done. I'm gonna just test this Neovim config for a while, and if everything goes right, I'm just gonna take some screenshots and add it to here. But seems fine so far, I think. I mean, everything works fine. So yeah, watch this repo if this is interesting for you. And yeah, that's it, guys. I am cooked. Maybe tomorrow or the day after, I'm gonna do a programming language tier list live stream. Don't miss that. That's gonna be so fun. We're gonna trigger a lot of people. We're gonna rage bait a lot of people. So yeah, you know, just rank programming languages. I did that last year and it caused some drama. I'm pretty happy with it, pretty satisfied. Pretty satisfied. I mean, if you go to the last year's live stream and check out the comments, it's so fun. So yeah, that's the plan. Don't miss that if you wanna get triggered by programming languages. It sounds very weak, but whatever. We're basically computer people, right? So yeah. Anyways, I don't know what I'm saying. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody. See ya. I just love PHP, man. I gotta say that. Love PHP.